Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Mike again. I'm here working on this truck. Some of you guys might have seen my other video that I posted. I'm working on this 2005 GMC Sierra four-wheel drive Z71. Putting rockers in it. Got to re-clear the fender flares on it. If you guys did see my last video I posted, I showed you guys an easy way. Well, I'd actually already put the rockers in on this side, but I will be showing you guys on the other side how to do that the easy way. Anyways, it's in the body filler stages, and I just put some plastic filler down, and I'm doing a little bit of cheese grading here. Show you guys what it looks like right now, and give you guys a little bit of video of me cheese grading and doing a little bit of body work here. Nothing too exciting this episode. I'm going to show you guys a few of my vehicles, my projects that I'm working on. Some are mine, some are other people's. Anyways, here's a little bit of cheese. Here's what I got right now. And guys, for those of you that might be new to Autobody or doing your own body work or whatever, this is a very important step in my opinion. You always want to cheese grade. One, it kind of gets the form that you're going for without wasting sandpaper. You want to get the body filler when it's just starting to set up. It's still a little bit tacky, but this is a pretty important step, because for one, it gets you your form. It gets you close to your form, where you want to be, where you want your body filler to look like, the contour and the shape of it. And also another thing is it breaks the Bondo open. When you get your piece of 80 or 180 or 40 or whatever you're going to use to start sanding this with, when you get that out and you start sanding on this first layer of Bondo, this stuff is like almost like chewing gum. It's almost like chewing gum. It has like a sticky top layer to it. And is all that'll do when you start sanding on it with your sandpaper. It'll gum your sandpaper up, and it ain't no fun, you know. Like I said, my video series is pretty much teaching y'all tips and tricks and easy ways to do things, instead of the 100% correct 80-hour job way. I'm showing you guys the easier way to do stuff. So like I said, the whole point of this is to save money. And if you're wasting sandpaper sanding the first layer of your Bondo, then you're not really saving any money. And you will waste sandpaper like that, because when you start sanding on that Bondo, it's just going to gum it up, and then from there, you know, you gotta get a new piece. Starting to set up on me now, but anyways, that's a pretty important step. You can pick these cheese graters up. I got mine at the actual auto parts store for like $6, I believe. I believe it was about $6. So you know, not very expensive, and it gives you an easy way when you first put your body filler down. It gives you an easy way to start shaping it and get it busted open. Because after you do get it busted open, the stuff that I use, it sands like honey. I mean, it is the best stuff I've ever used. It's all I've used ever since I've gotten it. And don't get me wrong, it sets up, you know, it sets up hard, and it's very structural, and strong and all that, but it's just so easy to sand. Don't get me wrong, again, if you let this stuff sit for like, you know, however long it is, I think it's like 24, 48 hours or something like that. If you guys let this stuff sit that long, then it's like sanding on a rock. So you don't want to put it on there, and you don't want to let it set for a couple of days and then go to start sanding on it. You want to start on it as soon as it's ready. So if you guys spread some Bondo, some body filler, and think that you might be away for a day or two or whatever, go ahead and sand that stuff down. That way it makes your life a lot easier, and you're not wasting material again, because you know you'd be going through sandpaper trying to sand it. I'll show you guys one of my trucks real fast. That's my body dropped and bagged LS S10. That's my daily driver. And that's my K10, my little project truck that I'm gonna LS swap it to. It's got 305 4-speed in it right now. It runs and drives. It just needs a lot of work. I've got a buddy Chevelle over on the other side that I've got to start on really soon. I've got to put floor pans and well, it's a complete frame off restoration. So you guys will be getting videos on that also. It's a 69 Chevelle. I've got a dump truck. I mentioned that in the other video. I've got a dump truck. I got to put, well, actually I've already done it. Inner and outer rockers, cab corners, and floor pans in both sides. I've got to paint it. When the truck first came to me, it was only supposed to be the rockers, the cab corners, and the floor pans, and the guy decided that he wanted the whole truck done. He said that he could not replace it for what he had in that one, so we're going to go ahead and do the whole truck. We're going to do the bed and the frame. Yeah, we're going to do all that to a dump truck. So stay tuned, you know, watch for that video. It should be coming out pretty soon. I've got to jump on it after I get this truck done. This truck right here was just kind of like a quick job. As of right now, I've only got like 8 hours in it. If that, I think it might be more like 7, 6.5, 7. But anyways, I'd have to look at my pad. I gotta keep all that stuff wrote down because I do this stuff by the hour. I live in Tennessee. It's getting hot. I got a big fan that I usually run, but I don't want to run it because you guys won't be able to hear me. Anyways, I've got it cheese grated to my liking. Give you guys a shot of that. Now it's time to start sanding. On this, where it's got the contour, the curve down, I use my soft block. Wet or dry soft block sponge pad. I use it. I've actually got a piece of 80 on it. I just use that to kind of bust this open, get it going, and then I'll switch to 180 because this is the second layer of Bondo. And then after that, I will prime it, and it'll be ready to paint. When I do my rocker panels and cab corners and all that stuff, I like to do one side at a time. It's just kind of like a preference thing. I like to do one side at a time. I get this side done. I get it painted, cleared, all that. And I'll let the truck down. I jack it up, that way it's a little bit easier on me. I don't have to bend down. Just some tips and tricks for you guys. If you guys are doing rockers, lift your truck up, man. It'll make your life a lot easier. Save your back, all that good stuff. I'll give you guys just a shot of it right there. That's what we're looking for down the whole thing. It's starting to look good. I'm gonna finish doing this. I don't have, like I said, I'm new to this, so I don't have anything to hold my camera or anything like that. So I'm trying to hold it and do body work at the same time. And I'm trying to talk to you guys, being interactive with you guys and all that stuff. But maybe one of these days I'll get a stand for my camera. That way you guys can actually watch me work. But I will bring you guys back. I'll bring you guys back when it's time to prime this, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know. If you guys like this. Let me know what you guys want to see more of, or if there's something that you guys don't want to see. If it's my ugly face, then let me know. You know what I'm saying? Interact with me. Let me know what you guys think, want to see, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe. Peace out.